Now we will see one of the soil report recommendation, which is little bit, actually when we see this sentence we will assume something different. So for that I want to explain this recommendation, and it is very important to know. So let's get into this. See here, the recommendation of the soil report is isolated column footings are recommended to be founded at a depth of approximately 2 meter within the laterite layer having an N value of about 14. To safely support vertical loads, a safe bearing capacity of 140 kN per meter square may be considered for a footing size of 1.65 meter into 1.65 meter. So this soil report we have recommendation, in that we have this recommendation, and for this our building is small building, it's G+1 building. So for that G+1 building we got this recommendation, and other two options also the soil consultant provided, but this is little bit we want to elaborate. So many understand this sentence like they are saying minimum size of footing 1.65 meter, 1.65 meter we have to take, and for that SBC is 140. Many of you assume like this. It means if your size of footing is 2 meter by 2 meter, then you will say all condition is meted and we can take 140 SBC. Is that right? No, that's wrong. What is the actual meaning of this is your footing size should not be more than 1.65 meter by 1.65 meter. In that case only you can take this 140. So this is the original meaning. If your size of the footing is more than 1.65 meter by 1.65 meter, then the SBC will be reduces. How? Let's see the report value. In report, the standard penetration method they used, and the values are like this. So they used standard penetration test method, okay, and the depth tested, and for 15 centimeter, 30 centimeter and 45 centimeter, then N value, okay. When I see this results, then I also understood why they given like that, okay. So at 1 meter depth we won't consider any values whatever it may be, and for second one 2 meter depth standard penetration value is number of 5 numbers and 10 6. So at the end we will add these two for N values, so it is 16. Okay, for 3 meter depth it is 4 7 7 14, right? And 4 meter depth 6 4 11 15. 5 meter depth, how much it is? 3 6 8 14. And for 6 meter depth 5 7 4 11. For 7 meter depth 7 4 3 7. For 8 meter depth we found the hard strata. These are the results from the report, soil report. Okay, now what they are telling up to 2 meter we have to excavate. It means this is from this to this excavated value 2 meter. And then you can see here 16 n values are 16 14 15 14, and then here it is reduced. Okay, so it means I will explain another one thing here. Usually if this is our footing and how much they limited our footing width 1.65 meter, so it means this is our 1.65 meter 1.65 meter, it means this is 1.65 meter, right? So how the load will be transferred to the soil? Like this 45-degree angle. This is our assumptions. And at what depth it will be distributed? This is also our rough rule. Here up to depth 2 times of width, whatever this width is there na, up to 2 times of the width, the stress will influence majorly, or else load, we can say load will be influenced majorly up to depth of 2 times of the width. Later it influence here also, but it influence very less. It means 2 times of 1.65 meter means how much it is? 3.3 meter. So we can say up to 3 meter it will influence, and then later it will influence very less, right? This is our rough rule. So when you see this is 3 meter it will influence, and 2 meter already they excavated, it means another 3 meter it will influence. So another 3 meter means 5 meter, up to 5 meter it will influence from this level. Okay, so in that case you can see here the n value, you can see the n value is multiplied by 10 times. It is rough rule, is SBC, like that. Okay, it's rough rule. Okay, so now this is 14. Now you can observe here after 14 here it is 11 n value. It means the SBC is reduced here, but still they provided how much it is, bearing capacity 140. It means for if our width of the footing and length of the footing is up to 1.65 meter, it will transfer load easily, and after this the load distribution will be, the load influence will be very less. For that reason they told if your footing size is less than 1.65 meter, 1.65 meter width and length, then you can consider this 140. So that the influenced load will be up to this, and later it will be nominal. So for that reason they preferred this one of the recommendation. So this type of soil, it means compressive soil, you have to be very carefully, and you have to see this n value also. If you got like this sentences in soil report, then be aware and check the n values, and then you have to decide, not the minimum size, not this is a wrong assumption. Many of you assumed like minimum we have to provide 1.65 meter. If above the 1.65 meter, 1.65 meter we can take 140 and it is safe, means you are wrong. In that case your footing will be settled. Okay, so be aware. And they also provided if more than 1.65 meter footing size, then they provided alternate options in the soil report. So that's not important to me, I want to explain this case only. Okay.